Fox 35 News starts now with a storm alert.
The rain pouring down in central Florida all day long. Some storms even sparking some flooding. And behind the rain comes the cold temperatures. Good evening and welcome. I'm Luann Sorrell.
And I'm John Brown. Fox 35 Storm Team meteorologist Brooks Garner is in the storm center tonight. And Brooks, get rid of the rain, but then we're into the cold.
That's right. And I mean, it is going to be like a washing machine here over the next 12 hours in the sense of we're going to be on like full tumble cycle. It's going to go up and down, and then it's going to be downright cold tomorrow afternoon, especially by Florida standards, but really by anybody's standards. Let's take a look at Fox 35 Storm Tracker radar. We've got a southwest flow associated with this low pressure coming in from the Gulf, crossing the state overnight, and then emerging into the Atlantic as a gale center tomorrow in the morning. And in doing so, pulling down all that cold weather. But look at this slug of rain moving northeast. It's going to provide more rain to places that are just water sodden from between 7 and 9 inches at Daytona Beach earlier today. Storm totals 7 to 9 inches. I said that too casually. That's a lot of rain. 3 inches plus fell in Sanford, over an inch in Orlando. And while the rainiest of the storm is over, despite these showers moving northeast at 30 miles per hour, set to work toward Daytona inside of the next 5 minutes, and there's more rain back toward the south. Now we look ahead to the wind component of this, because that's the next stage, and we're going to see those winds really picking up with the possibility of gusts at Daytona overnight exceeding 35 miles per hour, and routine gusts in places like Oviedo and Orlando between 25 and 35 miles per hour from the northwest. And that is that perfect wind direction, that north-northwest wind, to very efficiently transport in cold air. And by the way, just offshore tomorrow, these are going to be winds that are gusting well over 60 miles per hour. And so those offshore waters are going to be raging. Remember, the Gulf Stream goes this direction. These winds going this direction, we're going to see seas out here easily exceeding 40, maybe even 50 feet. Those Gulf Stream seas can be just outrageous when you get this kind of a gale center setting up in this orientation. So it is going to be downright hazardous boating. If you're thinking about going boating tomorrow on the Atlantic side, it is Saturday. Highly discouraged if you can even make it out through the inlets, by the way. But I mentioned the temperature change. We're going to register our daytime high before the sun even rises, about 5:30 in the morning. And then after that, look what happens. By 9 in the morning, your first cup of coffee, we're in the mid-50s. By lunchtime, we're in the low 50s, and we're not going to see much improvement. These are numbers we haven't seen in a long time, numbers sometimes we don't see during the entire winter. Our coldest week, January 11th to the 14th, the average high is 71 degrees. This is going to be way below that. Coming up, I'll show you how long this will last, how deep this will go. Back to you.
All right. Thanks a lot, Brooks. And Fox 35's team coverage continues tonight in Volusia County. Look at this. It was a mess over there. Floodwaters causing for some dangerous driving conditions. Like Brooks said, up to 7 inches of rain. Well, police tell us at least 20 cars ended up being stranded in waters just like that. Fox 35's Larry Greenberg joins us live from the Fox 35 Storm Team Thunder Truck tonight in Daytona Beach. And you were out there. You saw it firsthand. It was a mess along some of those roads.
Yeah, it was really bad, John. We saw so many intersections that were just flooded. And I want you to take a look at this one right here. This is South Beach, right by Bellevue. And you can see, look at all of this water. Like, it's just a big, gigantic lake in the middle of the road. That's what it looks like right now. You got the water coming up on the sides of the truck as we drive through here. Obviously, this is not recommended for people in normal vehicles, but we are in our Fox 35 Storm Team Thunder truck, which is much larger than the average vehicle, so we're able to drive through this. But just look at all of this water. This is what we've been seeing all day, and after some of these areas have receded as the night has gone on, this area obviously hasn't. There are a few other patches as well that have not receded so much. Those roads are closed right now. Part of Palmetto, I believe, is closed right now. We saw that earlier today. So people do have to be mindful of some of the detours. We saw a lot of stalled cars all day, just as some video from earlier, hopefully, that you're seeing here. We've seen stalled cars. We've seen debris in the roadway. We saw downed light poles. So lots of stuff going on here from that wind and rain. So something for people to be mindful of when they're driving around tomorrow. Daytona Beach police did tell us that they've responded to at least 24 disabled cars and 8 crashes over the course of the evening, but luckily no serious injuries or deaths that we know of at this point, so that is good. For now, right now, live out here, it's just windy. It's not really raining too much anymore, except for maybe a little drizzle here and there. So we will take that for now, but definitely stay bundled up inside if you can. We will send it back to you in the studio. For now, we are live in the Fox 35 Storm Team Thunder Truck. Lara Greenberg in Daytona Beach.
All right. Thanks a lot, Lara. We'll see you soon. And you can track the rain along with the Storm Team by downloading the Fox 35 Storm Team weather app. It also comes with severe weather alerts and updated video forecasts.